Hello, this is Relevant Lejean for Self-Taught Polyglot. Today I just want to tackle a topic that is very important. I just want to tackle why Haitian people don't like to give their age to their counterpart, to foreign people as well. Um, First and foremost, we have to say that giving age in Haiti is something that is very huge. People don't really like to give their age for many different reasons. And not only in Haiti, okay, and all around the world, people consider age to be something that is not, when somebody is old, the idea of, in sociology, of ageism, when somebody is old, they think that the person is no longer useful to society. Therefore, they think the person is might be a loser if the person did not acquire a lot of things during his lifetime. So in Haiti, there are two greatest reason I think that most people don't really like to give their age. First, there's the traditional idea. The first one is the traditional idea. Giving your age to somebody else, somebody you don't know, it might be a bewitchment. People think that when they give their age to another person, the other person might bewitch them, might cast a spell on them. Therefore, people don't really like to give their age to other people for not being bewildered by others. This is the idea of evil, people projecting evil to the world. The second idea of not giving your age in Haiti, or not asking Haitian people for their age, especially traditional people, is that I kind of see this as the vogue among young people in this generation, the millenniums, the generation Z, or the generation Z, is that people don't really like to give their age to their counterpart or foreign people, because usually when you give your age to another person and the person see that in your life, basically speaking, you haven't acquired anything. Like, your life is still the same. So the thing that the person might think that you're a loser. The person might think that you've been spending your whole time without doing anything good, anything productive to the society. Therefore, people always want to stay young and look young, which is something which is a lot of people from different countries all over the world share. People would like to stay young and conscious so that others cannot, or so that others don't have to criticize them for for not acquiring a lot of stuff. These are the two general ideas about giving age in Haiti, and why people don't really like to give their age to others, to their counterpart, even to foreigners. They don't really like to give their age. Basically, they don't want to give their age to strangers. It might be another nationality, it might be a Haitian, but someone they're not familiar with. All right, this is these are the reasons why. Thank you. Stay tuned to the next couple of videos that I'm recording. This is Self-Taught Polyglots. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel to receive all the notifications so that you don't miss any video. Bye bye.